Good day everyone for the continuation of the report of Mr. Alex Panyo. My topic is expanding hotel rates. Hotel can sell their rooms at maximum connection that is helped the hotel increase revenue and bookings in fact can reach a larger audience by connecting to local and regional hotels or hotel global distribution system or GDS. This can significantly help you to reach guests globally. So by expanding hotel reach using the channel manager, it allows the hotel to communicate with the guests easily and properly because of the channel manager. Because of the online travel agency, it can make the transaction better and faster. And increase hotel operational efficiency with the help of the channel manager. You can manage multiple channels from this dashboard with a single click. This allows you to staff to spend more time on the hospitality task that requires greater client engagement and on-site services. A channel manager lets you control the booking. So, isang asa ka na lugar, isang atay makabook ka because of channel manager. Dili kay mag-spend pa ka mga taas na time para sa pag-booking.
Next.
Maintain rate parity. Channel manager systems ensure that any rate changes you make are updated across all channels in real time. Therefore, all distribution channels will have a consistent rate for a similar room type eliminate the possibility of rate disparity issue. So, rate disparity issue, the channel manager control the room price, ang bilang kabuo kung sulo dito. Then you can change sa system, makita niyo sa system ang ilang mga pricings per room, then bilang ka hours dito. Then yes, bilang ka person. Then increase online bookings. Channel manager can help to increase online bookings because it can connect all channels that you want and expose your hotel in the world. For example, sa atong mga different hotels diri sa atong city din.
Yes.
Then naman na sila
Different kind of online bookings.
Online different kind of online bookings para sa mga guests mapasayon efficient ra pud ang pagkuan diri na bitaw magkuan time din para dili na po kay malangan.